blessed to have 6 children, 5 boys. And Molly, who I like to describe as a rose surrounded by thorns. Thank you so much for inviting me here today. I'm so honored to be here. I want to talk to you about school choice. I've been involved in a high school that's a half a mile from here, just on the other side of 35 on Lake Street, by the name of Cristo Rey. And as you know, we have a significant issue in this country and in this state regarding educating minorities and immigrants, and it's not acceptable. I'm going to give you some facts. Our public school in this neighborhood, at high school, has a 44% graduation rate. That's not acceptable. It's immoral what's taking place. At our high school down the street, for half the price, 100% of our kids graduate. 78%, 100%, 78% went to college. The ones that didn't go to college went to the military. Every one of them is participating in the American dream. That's why you came to this state, to participate in the American dream, and we need to make it accessible and reachable, and we can do it together. We can do it. And Al Franken will get up here and he'll tell you that he's for you. But you know what? He's letting you down on education, because it is unacceptable what's happening in this neighborhood, in this state, in this city, in getting people educated. And while he has said that he's for you, I have walked the walk. I have produced results.